Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Nodex, and today we're diving into something super cool for anyone interested in game development. If you're a beginner looking to learn the Godot engine from scratch, this video is for you. Grab your coffee and let's get started. Main content. Why choose Godot? First off, let's talk about why Godot is a great choice. Honestly, it's super beginner-friendly, open source, lightweight, and completely free. No license fees, which means all the profit from your games is yours. Step 1. Download the engine. The first thing you need to do is download the engine. Head over to the official Godot website. Download and install it on your computer. It's lightweight, so no need for a high-end PC. Get to know the interface. Start small projects. You don't need to build something huge at first. Start with a simple game, like moving a square left and right, or a classic Pong game. The goal here is to understand the basics. Learn GD script programming. Godot has its own programming language called GD script, and it's very similar to Python. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Start with a Hello World tutorial, then move on to learning how to move objects and add physics. Use free resources. There are tons of free tutorials and guides online for Godot. YouTube channels, official documentation, and even the Godot community forums, where you can ask questions. Don't be afraid to seek help. Set goals and stay consistent. Decide what type of games you want to develop, 2D or 3D, and stick with one goal at a time. Mistakes are part of learning, so keep going and don't give up. Outro. And that's it, everyone. These are the basics of getting started with the Godot engine. If you'd like to see a full series on game development, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.